This T56 Inspection. Look at that debris. The carnage! One side of the reverse sleeve is good. It can be reused if you choose to, but you don't have so much. Something about a press fit. What the hell? Whoops. And this guy's toast. That's where the other guy plugged it in. It's like a puzzle. Exciting. Color here. Destroyed. Everything's fine. This is fucked. Pretty fucked. Make or modify your tools to make them work right. I'm about to spend a bunch of money on this. Has some stock laying around. And yeah, just molds. So the power pad, you want to do this just a little bit faster. Yay. This one's actually good on both sides. She's a heavy camper. And this whole assembly thing's pretty heavy. That was the 56 hub and blockers. This is the 56 sleeve. It's not in terrible shape, but you guys go ahead and leave a comment if you guys think I should reuse it. This guy's good. I'm just looking at one, so obviously this guy's fucked and these keys are fucked. Yard.